In this video, we will learn to make a scratch animation, in which two sprites will talk to each other. Right now, we have only one cat sprite on the stage, with an empty white background. As I told you last time, a sprite is a character in Scratch. So here we have a cat sprite in our program. First of all, let's make this boring, empty, white background more interesting. Take your mouse pointer over, choose a backdrop button, and click. Backdrop Gallery is now open on your screen. Backdrop Gallery is a collection of background images installed on our computer with Scratch. We will choose Forest Backdrop for this animation. Click on the Forest Backdrop image to use it. You can click on Layout button to increase or decrease the size of the stage area. Click on the Full Screen button to make the stage display in full screen. Stage is now full screen, but you cannot make changes to the program because the blocks are not visible. Click on Full Screen button again to resize the stage back to normal size. Drag the cat sprite to bottom left-hand corner of the stage. Click on the Control category, find When Flag Clicked block, and drag it inside the coding area. Click on the Zoom button to increase the size of block. Next, we want the cat to say something, by displaying a message on the stage. Block used to display a message is under Looks category. Click on the Looks category and find Say block. Drag the Say block and add it under When Flag Clicked block. Click on the Go button to run this short program. You can now see the message, "Hello," which is inside the Say block is displayed on the stage by Cat Sprite. You must click on Stop button to remove this message from stage. There is one more block in the Looks category which is used to display a message. That block is also Say block, but in this block we can choose the duration to display the message. In this example, "Hello" will be displayed on stage only for 2 seconds, and then the message will disappear without clicking on Stop button. You can see the message displayed on the screen, and disappear automatically after 2 seconds. To remove the extra Say block, simply drag the block into Blocks area and leave it there. You can change the duration for which the message is displayed by changing the number of seconds in the say block. This time, "Hello" will be displayed for 4 seconds. Let's add another sprite in our program to create a conversation animation between two sprites. Click on Choose a Sprite button. Scroll down to find the monkey sprite.
Click on the monkey sprite to add it to the program. Drag the monkey sprite to right-hand side of the stage. Click on the cat sprite in Sprites area, and you will find the blocks that we have added earlier. Now click on the monkey sprite. You will find that there are no blocks appearing in the coding area. This happens because blocks belong to a sprite. Blocks added to cat sprite will not appear for monkey sprite. Now we will add some blocks to monkey sprite also. Click on the monkey sprite. Go to Control category. Scroll up to find When Flag Clicked block and drag it into the coding area.
Drag the say block and add it under When Flag Clicked block.
Click inside the message box and type the new message that you want to show on stage.
You can change the duration for which the message is displayed by changing the number of seconds in the say block.
Type the same number of seconds in the say block of cat sprite also. Change the message on cat sprite if you wish to. Click on the Go button to run the program. Cat and monkey sprite now display the message for 3 seconds. But both the sprites are displaying the message at the same time. This is happening because the say block of both sprites starts running immediately after clicking the Go button. But in our program, we want the cat sprite to say hello first, and then the monkey sprite to reply. We don't want them to say hello at the same time. We can do this by the help of another block called as Broadcast Message Block. Click on Events category and find the block, Broadcast. Add broadcast block after say block. Broadcast block sends a message to all the sprites in our program. Click on Message 1, and then click on New Message. Type a new message as shown in the video. This message will be sent to all other sprites in the program. Click on OK button. Cat sprite will say, "Hello monkey," and then send the message in broadcast block to all the sprites in the program. Now we need to make some changes on monkey sprite. We want the monkey sprite to say, "Hello kitty," only after receiving the broadcast message from cat sprite. Go to Events category and drag the block, "When I receive," into the coding area. Click on the arrow and select the message, "Hi monkey." This message has been broadcasted by cat sprite. Drag the say block from "When flag clicked" block to "When I receive" block. Let's see how this program is going to work. When you click on the flag button, Say Hello Monkey block runs and displays the message on stage for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, Broadcast Hi Monkey runs and sends this message to all sprites in the program. On Monkey Sprite, as soon as the message is received, When I Receive Hi Monkey block starts running. After that, Say block starts and displays the message, Hello Kitty, for 3 seconds on stage. In this manner, Monkey Sprite will say the message only after Cat Sprite has finished displaying its message on stage. We don't need When Flag Clicked block anymore, so we can just remove it from coding area. Let's click on the flag button and see our program in action. Great! It is working as expected. Let's add some more conversation between these two sprites. Once Monkey has finished replying to Cat, we need to inform Cat Sprite that Monkey is finished talking. This can be done by adding broadcast block after the say block on Monkey Sprite. Click on Events category and find the block, Broadcast. Add broadcast block after say block. Click on Message 1, and then click on New Message. Type a new message as shown in the video. Click on Cat Sprite. Go to Events category and drag the block, When I Receive, into the coding area. Click on the small arrow and select the message, Hi Kitty, from the messages list. Go to Looks category, drag the Say block into the coding area, and add it under When I Receive block. Change the message on Cat Sprite if you wish to.
You can change the duration for which the message is displayed by changing the number of seconds in the say block.
Let's click on the flag button and see our program in action. Great! It is working as expected. Now we will use the same blocks repeatedly, to continue the conversation between these two sprites.